Want some cookies? Okay. Yeah?
Buford, you listening? Now get this. That's when the subcommittee had to reallocate the funds and then...
You want to go outside?
Well, I have a question. Do you want to go on a walk?
Say hello. Good boy. Can you say how are you? Good boy. Can you say I love you?
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Your mom looks like a dog.